We'll guide you through how to make and add a starting soon screen in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's going to continue.
Before we set it up in OBS, you will first need a starting soon scene. A simple way to create one is by using Canva. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close OBS Studio for now, and then just open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Canva and hit enter. Just go to the official website for Canva. After that, at the left hand side, you will see an option for templates. Just go ahead and click on that, and now after the template are loaded, just go to your search bar and just go ahead and search for starting soon. After that, just go ahead and hit enter, and now you will land in this interface. Here you will be able to choose different template that you can choose from for your starting soon scene. So just go ahead and select one, and then if you see a crown icon at the bottom, it means that it is a premium template and you will need a premium account for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select one. So let's say I want to go with this particular scene, and also note that you can preview any starting soon scene by just hovering over it, just like so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this and just click on it and choose to customize this template. And now your new tab will open, and now you will go inside the editor. So basically you can just select any element that you want to edit and you can move it around just like so. So let's say I want to change this picture, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the picture and choose to delete, and choose delete image. And after that, just go ahead and go to your uploads, and you can choose to upload your file. So as for me, I have already uploaded, and once you are in the upload section, just go ahead and select any image that you want to upload. So let's say I want to add this image, I will select it. So I'll just drag this image into the timeline just like so, and then after that I'm just gonna adjust it, and once that it had been adjusted, I'm just gonna go ahead and like resize it and then drag it inside the image section, and now you will see it will be successfully added. And you can do the same for the text also. You can just double click on it and add any text that you want. So let's say I want to type something like GuideRealm stream is starting soon, and after you have added the text to your liking, you can also select the elements just like so, and then you can resize it to your liking. So let's say I want to make it big, I'll just drag the corners just like so, and it will be successfully resized. You can do the same with the others also. And once that you are happy with how it looks, you can just press space on your keyboard to preview it just like so. And now once that you have done that, let's go to the top right corner and click on share and choose to download. Make sure it is selected as MP4 and then choose download. And now it will be successfully downloaded. Just wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, you can just close this and go to OBS, and now click on the plus icon under scene to add a new scene. So here you can name your scene. So I'm just gonna name it something like starting soon scene. After that, just go ahead and click on OK, and now your new scene will be successfully created. So after selecting your starting soon scene, just go to the sources and click on the plus icon, and here just go ahead and select media, and you can name your media and click on OK. After that, just go ahead and choose to browse and navigate to the folder where you have downloaded your template, and after that just go ahead and select that video and then click on open. And after that, make sure loop is toggled on just like so, and then you can leave most of the options at default and choose OK. And now you can see the starting soon scene has been successfully created, and it will successfully appear in the preview. Now whenever you are about to live stream, simply switch to starting soon scene, and then once you are ready to start the actual stream, switch back to your main gameplay or stream scene just like so.